Hello everyone, we're making catfish recipe. If you're a lover of catfish, this is made for you. This turned out saucy, juicy, super moist and delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Trust me, you're going to love it. So first thing that I did was to wash my catfish with a little bit of lime. I did it off camera because it wasn't really important. When I was done, I made some decisions on it and then I sprinkled fish powder, salt, and I make sure I rub it all over. I added in black pepper as well. Make sure you rub it all over the fish. And then to my blender, I added in onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, red bell pepper. I added in just a little bit of olive oil, covered it, and then blended until it was almost smooth. Once done blending, I pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons on the catfish, and then I rub it all over, in and out, everywhere. And then make sure you open it and put some of the blended onion mix in, even the belly area. When done, cover it with the foil and then let it rest for at least 2 hours. I marinated mine for about 2 hours, but if you want, you can do 30 minutes or an hour and you're good to go. So after the 2 hours, bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Whilst the catfish is baking, I went ahead and make the sauce, and this is the key of my amazing catfish recipe. So to the sauce, I added in the rest of the onion mix to my saucepan. I added in a little bit of oil. I then let this cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes before adding in my seasoning, which is dry fish powder, and shrimp powder, all-purpose seasoning, and a pinch of salt. So I stir it again, and then I let this cook for at least 2 minutes before going in with my vegetables, which is carrots, onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red spring onions, and then I stir it till everything has come together. You do not want to cook it for long. At least once the veggies are added, give it 3 to 4 minutes. That is okay, and then take it off from the fire. At the end, we're going to bake it again, so don't overcook the veggies. You still want it crunchy. So after 40 minutes, I scoop some of the sauce on it, and guys, just look at this. This made it more soft, very delicious, and you will love it. Once done, cover it again and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for extra 20 minutes, and you are good to go. Just look at this, guys. This was delicious. It was jamicious. So the rest of the sauce, I scoop it on it, and you're good to go, guys. This turned out delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. If you really enjoyed watching this video, why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this fish. Wow, just look at it. Try this amazing recipe for your guests and they will love it. So I served mine with some potato chips. If you want, you can fry some yam chips, plantain chips, and you're good to go. Wow. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.